Hello all, welcome back to editorial analysis and answer writing practice at 9 p.m. If you are watching this video series for the first time, then please watch my introductory video on this program, which is available in our playlist first. Only then you will know how to participate in this answer writing initiative. It is open to all. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss about India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor. So this is an initiative which was signed during the memorandum of understanding for this initiative was signed during the 2023 G20 summit, which was held in Delhi, where India, Saudi Arabia, UAE, France, Italy, Germany, European Union, USA all came together and signed this MOU. Though it was signed in 2023, why we are discussing it now? Because even today it is a hot topic. In many editorials, we see discussions about the potential challenges about this IMEC. So we will also discuss this topic from our UPSC exam point of view. So IMEC is an economic corridor where the infrastructure between these countries will be improved, will be strengthened to improve the regional economic integration. What kind of infrastructure? Port infrastructure. The port will be strengthened. The sea link will be improved. Road link, rail link between these countries will be improved. Between these regions will be improved. That is starting from India, connected to the Gulf. From the Gulf, get connected to the Europe. So we need to strengthen the road link, rail link, sea link. So under this program, we are trying to improve the connectivity between these regions. The multimodal connectivity is what is the focus point of this IMEC. But this IMEC goes little beyond. This initiative also aims to connect this region through a hydrogen pipeline. Right, there is an objective of developing high-speed data cable network between this region, developing a power grid connectivity between these region, having some decarbonization goals among the countries in this region. So this is not just a usual economic corridor; it goes beyond. So what are the potentials of this IMEC program? In general, what is the advantage? See, between this region, there is going to be better economic integration. Because of that, the trade is going to improve. Because of that, the economic opportunities are going to improve. The infrastructure is going to be strengthened. More job opportunities will be created. So this Belt and Road Initiative is seen as a strategic counter towards the China's Belt and Road Initiative, because China is having their own infrastructural connectivity. But this IMEC is also trying to promise an alternative route from India to Gulf to Europe. Right? So trade is going to improve, economic integration is going to be there, there's going to be improved job opportunities, strengthened infrastructure, counter to the Belt and Road Initiative. So all these are general global advantages of this IMEC program. Right? And more importantly, we'll be having an alternative trade route, because usually from India to Europe, if you want to go, the trade route will go via Red Sea, and we know about the tensions going on in Red Sea, right? So we have seen previously the rebels in the Yemen, they are attacking the commercial vessels going through the Red Sea. We are also noticing, because of the Israel Hamas conflict, the Red Sea region is actually tensioned. So going through Red Sea, that is becoming little complicated in today's geopolitics. So in this backdrop, finding an alternative route via the Persian Gulf, enter the Gulf region, from there go to Europe, so that becomes an opportunity for improving the global trade in general. So when we look at the potential for India, obviously our trade will also improve. Right. So if you want to go to Europe, if you are going via Red Sea, that is going to increase the distance. The logistical cost will be high. So now when India is getting an alternative route to reach the Europe via Gulf, that is going to reduce our logistical cost. When India's trade logistical cost is getting reduced, then our exports will become cheaper, our exports will be competitive. So this alternative route only is going to make our exports competitive, and it is going to improve our trade. We can save time by using this trade route to reach Europe. And this helps in India better integrating with the Gulf economy as well as the European economy. And we know about Gulf, there is huge oil reserve. So this integration will help us to have energy security as well. And we know a lot of our diaspora is working in the Gulf region. So this economic integration is going to improve the opportunities for Indian diaspora in the Gulf as well. In the process of this economic development, our infrastructure is also going to get strengthened. So that's going to help us to become a better economy as well. So India has an ambitious target of becoming a developed economy by 2047, for which improving the infrastructure, improving the trade opportunities, improving the job opportunities becomes very, very vital. So in this backdrop, if you see, IMEC is a good opportunity for India. And also look at the name of the initiative, India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor. As a name only improves the stature of India in the global arena. Right? See, this program might be a counter for, it is seen as a counter for the BRI initiative. But keeping that aside, this initiative, it is giving immense potential for India. It improves the stature of India. It improves the power equation of India in this region. So it offers a lot of potential for India and world in general. Right? Now question comes, sir, who is going to fund this project? For which you should know about another initiative called as PGII, Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. So we know about G7 grouping. So in the 2021 G7 summit, this PGII initiative was introduced. So as per the PGII initiative, developed countries and private players will come together, they will pool their resources for developing the infrastructure in the developing countries. So developed countries and the private players will come together, they will use their resources for developing the infrastructure in the developing nations. That is the idea of PGII. So this IMEC program is seen as a part of this PGII initiative. Alright, so this project offers a great potential for the region, that is the India, Middle East, Europe, and specifically for India also it offers a lot of advantages. However, this program is also coming up with some challenges. Right, this region, the Gulf, the Middle East, the Europe, this region today it is filled with lot of tensions. We have a lot of internal and external issues. Right? So these issues can delay this connectivity projects. So if we take India, so when we look at the track record of India in developing infrastructure with respect to connectivity projects, we are seeing some setbacks. India is seeing some setbacks. So when we look at the past, when we analyze the past, we are facing some setbacks because of various externalities. For example, we were developing Chabahar port in Iran, and because of various geopolitics, we were not able to execute and finish the project quickly. We have other projects like Trilateral Highway, Kaladan Multimodal Project. All these are connectivity projects where India is instrumental in developing the infrastructure. Now, because of various externalities, we are not able to execute these projects on time. Right? So even the Middle East, the Gulf, and the European region, today it is filled with a lot of tensions. Now, because of this, there can be a setback. Because of this, there can be a delay in executing this IMEC program. But however, it offers immense potential for India and the world. For India, if you take, see, we have tall ambitions. Our population is increasing. We are crossing 140 crore population. We want to become a developed economy. We want to achieve a $5 trillion economy very soon. So for all these ambitions, we have to improve our trade, we have to strengthen our infrastructure, we have to have a better global partnership. So for India, IMEC offers huge potential to realize all our tall dreams. Right? So I hope the discussion was giving you clarity regarding this IMEC program. So you can share your opinion about this program in the comment section. So let's have a look at the question for today's topic. The great power rivalry is once again using land-based trade routes as new geopolitical instruments. In this context, explain the India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor. Beyond countering the Belt and Road Initiative, discuss how can IMEC contribute to India's broader strategic objectives. So it is a 15 marker question. You have to write 250 words. So plan your answer accordingly. So I hope the discussion gave you clarity about this IMEC. I hope the initiative is adding value to your preparation. So I'll see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.